Come all you friends, let me sing you a little ditty about a place in the cyberverse where it's called Scursday Studio. With keystrokes and pixels, they shape their art, a tapestry of wonder right from the start. From medieval skies to cybernetic dreams, Scursday's creations push the boundaries, it seems. Scursday Studio, where fantasy reigns in the world they've crafted, where magic remains from the land of the...
Hello Outlanders, welcome to another Nightingale Camp build. Today I'll be showing you my main camp. So for starters, we're on the dock area, and I basically built it on this beautiful lake here for many reasons. One, to get fish, the other for a good cooling dip. And as we work our way to the camp, you'll notice I have this lovely blazer. Good for when I'm fishing at night. Then up the stairs, we come to the inner sanctum of the dock, where I got a few tables for guests. And I got my little cooking station over here, and a box for my fishing gear. So as we come around here, we can get a better look at this little gazebo area, and most of the fishing dock. Now, as we come around, here's the main camp. As you can see, I got two beautiful trophies out, and when we activate them, they play a nice animation. Oh man, that is scary. So I kinda went with like a Great Hall sort of design. And as we come over this way, we make it to my workshop with all my crafting stations and all the augmentations I need to build different items and different recipes. And as you can see, I got my trunks laid out so I can have my storage well organized. And then we got this one box for going from realm to realm. So if I need stuff from here, I can put it in there and easily have access in different parts of the world. And as we come this way, we got this big cauldron from the main quest line. Got my nice little bicycle and a seat for Granny. Now as we come into the main house, you can see it's nicely furnished, mostly with the stave design. Over here I got my crafting station for cooking, and we also have a fireplace to help keep me warm at night. And we got my little puppy bed as we make our way up the stairs to my bedroom. You can see my nice little pet. And of course he's happy to see me. And then we got the bed, the dresser, and an extra trunk for storage. And of course, a fireplace to help keep me warm at night. And we got a little writing station, and I forget what that's for, in the corner there. Now as we make our way outside, past the cauldron, here's my little garden with the bees for pollination. We got some water jugs in the back there, and other stuff we need to keep the plants growing. And finally, we come to this older part. There's different workstations, the older ones, in case I need to industrialize the building, and a few extra storages, in case I need them. And back here we got the different portals for different areas. I keep these 3 portals back here for the dungeons. And these are all the different portals for the different worlds, which there's 150 of each. Well, not of each, but there's about 150 worlds to explore. Then we got our card machine, which adjusts the realm to my liking, depending on what I need and what I want to do. As you can see, it kind of snaked around for, you know, a little bit of extra whimsical fun. And that's the whole camp. So with that, I wish you luck in the Fey Realms, and have a good time exploring.
In the heart of the modern age, where the greenback stains, goldbacks took the stage. Their securities in sync, spending through the day and night. A note like a champagne, a currency with history, a syncopated refrain. Paper fades, digital blips come and go, but goldbacks they shining, defy the trends they know. Each build a canvas, adorned with scenes so fine, a tribute to resilience where dreams intertwine.